Tomorrow and into tomorrow night as well. So that is kind of where our weather story sets up. No major snow systems for us. We will have some lake effect potential here and there as we get a wind in off the lake, but the big storm setting up down through the midsection of the country and then eventually into the eastern Great Lakes as we make our way through the rest of this week. And you'll be hearing more about that certainly on the national outlets as we go through the next few days. All right, temperatures here for this evening dropping quickly down into the single digits. So we are done with this spring fling, this little tease of spring-like temperatures. It is not going to be coming back anytime soon. In fact, tonight we're going to fall back down to the single digits to around 10 degrees across much of the upper peninsula and not really warm too much over the next few days. Clouds, yes, we do have some cloud cover, not much in the way of any precipitation though. Until we can get that wind to turn in off the lake, we do have a cold front now that has slipped down to our south, and that means our wind will continue to turn around to the north. As that happens, obviously that opens the gates for the really cold air that's setting up just to our north to move back in. All of the moisture out ahead of this cold front, eventually this becomes snow as the cold air reaches down into the midsection of the country. There's going to be a stripe of heavy accumulating snow from St. Louis up through about Toronto and then into the eastern lakes and then eventually into New England as we head through the next couple of days as well. So again, no real big systems for us. It's just going to be the cold air that marches back in and the backside of this cold front as we head through the next 24 hours especially. Here's how it looks on Futurecast as we head through not only into this evening but also into tomorrow. Notice at times we could have some flurries and snow showers as we make our way through Wednesday as well. Nothing substantial, just does not look like the fetch is going to be significant, but as we head through the next few days, especially through Thursday, at times we could add up somewhere on the order of 3, 4, maybe 5 inches of snow in the higher elevations out in the western belts. Not much for in and around Marquette, but then off to the east, Munising could be up pushing 4 or 5 inches of snowfall in off of Lake Superior as we head between now and Thursday. For highs tomorrow, no big change. You know, we're up around 40 today. We're only looking at highs reaching into the low and mid-teens in many cases, about 12 degrees in Marquette, only 5 out in Ironwood, and closer to the bay of Green Bay and the lake, it looks like upper teens. Going down the line, well, Thursday obviously a very cold day, but then back up to around 20 degrees. There's another warm up coming our way by the 8th. Or the 9th. So for tonight, mostly cloudy, breezy, much colder. We're going to be in the single digits. And then for your day ahead tomorrow, expect mostly cloudy skies and a high of only around 11 or 12 degrees. Here is your 7-day planner. We're going to be able to keep things on the cold side again here for Thursday, 7, 12 on Friday, and then the weekend looking pretty quiet outside of a few lake effect snow showers.